In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Now tap on Face section under Fingerprint and enter your current login method. Finally, you can click on Start Enrollment at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Now tap on OK at the bottom and manage all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, just click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!